In this video, I'll show you different ways you can charge your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Plus, Pro Max, any of them. So first of all, in the box with your iPhone, you should get this cable over here. This cable is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. The problem is that they don't give you any charger with your iPhone. You need to get one separately. Now there's many chargers on the market. Over here I have an Anker. This one is very small and very powerful. So to compare the charger, what you need to check is how many watts. At how many watts can they charge? Usually if they charge at 30 watts and up, well, this will be a very fast charge. This one over here is 30 watts, and as you see, it fits in the palm of my hand. There's also some at 45 watts, or even, you know, the small adapter from Apple that is only 5 watts. All of these will charge your iPhone 15, but at different speed. I have been using this Anker for a while now, and I think for the size and the power, I think it's a great balance. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one of these. So you just have to plug the cable that comes with the iPhone, plug the other side in your outlet, and then all you have to do is to plug your iPhone. And this will fast charge, since this is a 30 watts adapter, and you will see over here it's charging. Great. Now let me show you another way you can charge your phone. So if you don't want to use this part over here, you have two other choices. Both of these are wireless charger. Over here we have a charging pad that looks like this. It connects via USB Type-C. I got this at IKEA, but you can find some on Amazon as well. Again, links in the description. All you have to do is to connect the cable USB Type-C to the wireless charger, and then take your iPhone and you need to position it in a way where the coils inside will connect with this wireless charger. So if you put it just on the top like this, it won't charge. You really need to be precise. Okay, you see, now it started charging. If I put it like this, it won't work. Like that, it won't work. So it requires a bit more attention when you put your phone on. And this is why Apple created MagSafe. And I'll show you what MagSafe is. Well, to make it work, you need one of these adapters. This one is made by Anker. Again, links in the description, but Apple also makes these. I know Apple is a lot more expensive. This is why I got this one. And there's also cheaper than this one. And what you need to do is simply, well, first of all, connect this MagSafe charger via USB Type-C to a adapter. Maybe the same one I show you. Maybe you have another one. And then all you have to do is to bring them together, because there's a magnet over here and this has a magnet as well. So you see, they will stick, yeah, quite solid. I can even hold the phone by the charger like this, even do this, and it won't fall. It's very solid. To remove it, I really need to apply a bit of force. So this is great, and it will stay secure this way. And again, these adapters and even this one, well, the speed of charging will depend on the speed that your adapter is capable of. So these were the different ways you can charge your iPhone 15. You can also, by the way, get a portable charger, a portable battery. Some of them from Apple, you're able to stick it just like this one with the magnet in the back, so it stays connected all the time to charge, so you don't have any cables. But there's also some chargers using the cable, again USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and you can charge your phone this way as well. So you have multiple ways of charging your iPhone 15. Again, it's up to you if you want something that is maybe slower but cheaper, or something more expensive that can fast charge your iPhone just a lot quicker. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment down below if you have some questions, and I will see you in the next video.